Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Today I'm going to show you how to make eclairs. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make choux pastry, Chantilly cream and a dark chocolate ganache to create these fabulous chocolate eclairs. Let's start baking. To make the choux pastry we just need to pour cold water into a saucepan and into this add the butter. When the butter is fully melted and the water comes to a boil, add in the plain flour. Give it a good mix until the mixture looks just like this. Remove from the heat and allow it to cool fully. When it's cooled, beat the eggs and add half of the egg. Mix it in with either a whisk or an electric mixer. Pour in the remaining egg and mix again. When the choux pastry is nice and thick and shiny, like this, it's ready. We can now get this into a piping bag. I'm using a Wilton 8B piping tip. If you don't have one of these, you could cut the end of the piping bag instead. I'm making these eclairs about 4 inches or 10 centimeters long, but you can make them whatever size you like. A really good tip is to mark the length you want on the parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven for about 30 minutes. When baked, remove from the oven and we need to poke a small hole in each end of the eclairs to release the steam. These need to go back into the oven for 5 minutes. Just remember to switch the oven off when you do this. Place on a wire rack to cool while we make the Chantilly cream. Mix together double cream, icing sugar and vanilla extract until the cream is nice and thick and holds its shape. Just be careful not to over whip it. Pop in the fridge while we make the chocolate ganache. Chop up dark chocolate into small pieces and pour in the hot double cream. Now just allow this to sit for about 5 to 6 minutes before stirring it. When it's ready, stir it for about 1 minute and you get this lovely shiny chocolate ganache. Now all that needs to be done is for us to fill the eclairs. I like to cut the eclairs in half and pipe in the cream, or you can spoon the cream in either if you prefer. Spoon the chocolate ganache on top and spread it out. I like it nice and thick. Pop the eclairs into the fridge to fully set before serving. Here we have them all ready to try. A lovely choux pastry filled with a beautiful sweetened cream and topped with bittersweet dark chocolate. Don't they look delicious? I hope you try making these eclairs. They really aren't that difficult at all. Happy baking everyone! Enjoy!